Welcome to our session on Advanced Copilot at Work. Today we'll explore how this powerful tool is revolutionizing productivity. Advanced Copilot is designed to handle complex, multi-step tasks, moving beyond simple automation to truly intelligent assistance. Its key capabilities include automating complex workflows, synthesizing large amounts of data, and maintaining deep contextual awareness across applications. From generating comprehensive market analyses to drafting full project plans, Advanced Copilot is proving invaluable in many professional settings. Now, let's dive into a demonstration of a complex, end-to-end workflow to see Advanced Copilot in action. We'll set up a task that requires gathering data from multiple sources, processing it, and generating a summarized report. Watch how easily this is initiated. You can see Copilot seamlessly navigate between applications, extract relevant information, and apply logic to structure the final output. It's truly autonomous. Here is the comprehensive report generated by Copilot. Notice the accuracy and the depth of the analysis, all completed in a fraction of the manual time. This level of automation significantly boosts productivity, allowing teams to focus on strategic thinking rather than repetitive administrative tasks. Thank you for joining. We'll now open the floor for questions and discuss how you can integrate Advanced Copilot into your daily workflows.